Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here, and today's project is a design theme project I made for Rosie Studio, and it's a card making process perfect for beginners. It has no special techniques and you are really going to enjoy the process. So we are going to make these 3 cards playing with the all wrapped up collection. So on the third card you are going to see on the video that I added some dots like here, but at the end something fell on top and destroyed the dots. So I decided to put a puffy sticker, a star, just to keep everything clean. I don't like it at all, to be honest, but I had to cover the mess. I also have a coupon code for you to purchase anything you like at a Rosie Studio and get an exclusive 10% off on your purchase. You will find the link below in the description area. So here's a quick flip through of the collection. Here are the chipboard stickers, quite thick and I really like this. Next one is this sheet with puffy stickers, really cute. Then we have a bunch of die-cut embellishments. It has a lot of poinsettia flowers, leaves and bits and pieces to create beautiful compositions. Last we have these stamps with a lot of sentiments. And now let's move on to the tutorial. As a base I'm using white heavy cardstock 300 GSM weight. You need a piece of cardstock 14.5 by 29 centimeters and you're going to score it on the long side at 14.5, so you will end up having a square card. I am taking my Nuvo glue and glue the first layer down. Then I take a piece of white cardstock, which is actually a leftover piece. And now I'm going to make a simple composition by put all these die cuts together. So easy, guys! I am going to add some foam pads to give a little dimension to the flower. Now it's time to stamp the sentiment, and for that I am going to use a leftover piece of white cardstock and the sentiment that says Christmas wishes. I am using black ink to stamp this, and Everything I used are linked below, you guys, so if you're interested, go check them out. I'm using a corner punch to round the corners, but this is totally optional. Adding foam pads and the first card is done. Perfect. So now let's move on to the second one. I've got this strip, which is a leftover from the previous paper that we used to decorate our first card. To add some dimension to the flowers, I am going to use a sponge, and with a bourrine I am going to curve the petals a little bit to make them more interesting. I am adding a small square foam pad for extra dimension. And now I'm adding my sentiment, which is from the chipboard sheet. My last touch is some dots on the center of the flower using a contour liner. Really pretty, clean and simple card, so let's go ahead to the last one. Adding some puffy stickers here and there. some dots, and today's project is finished. I hope you enjoyed. Happy crafting! See you next time. Bye!